guys to my YouTube channel High Tech Learner. Our today's topic is how you can insert image in your HTML code and how you can set image as hyperlink. As you can see, this is the tag which will help us to insert image in your HTML page. So let's start with the program quickly. I hope you have seen the previous video which will help you to insert or to write a basic HTML tags. Yes, quickly, as already you can see in the notepad, I had already written the basic code of HTML. In body section, we will use this image tag, that is img. Img is one of the tag which help us to insert the image inside your HTML page. After writing image tag, we will take a help of src, that is source, as an attribute equals to the name of the file or the name of the image file which you have already downloaded or which is already saved in your computer or desktop. So whatever we will write after the angle bracket, that will be our tag, and after the tag giving one space, the thing which we will write is known as attribute. Okay, as you can see here, the image is one of the image is tag, src is attribute, and the value of attribute will be the image name that we will use to insert and another attributes that we will see in the program. Quickly we will back to the program. Here I will write the file name, or you can say the image name. Guys, you can see the image over the desktop screen. The name of image is flower and the extension, or you can say the type of image is JPG file. So we will write file name is flower with the type .jpg. Viewers, guys, you have to note down the file type is compulsory, which is important to write with the name of image file. Okay, after writing the name of the image, that is source attribute, we will use another attribute called alt attribute. Alt is known as alternative of this image. For example, your browser is not able to support the file to open. The image file will not able to open in the browser. So the viewer can easily able to identify the message which is given inside the alt. So we will display a message, image of flower. So if the viewer cannot able to see the image file, he or she will get the message. Then we will close this angle bracket. We'll save it with the name image .html and save. Quickly we will see in the desktop the output image one I have saved over here, and you can see the full screen is with the flower background. Yes. Now we will see two more attributes that we can use with this particular image tag, that is img tag, that is the height and width of the image. To adjust the size of the image, we have to use the attribute called height and width. So we will set the height and width of the image, like height for example 200 pixel and width of the image same as 200. You can adjust any number as per your size you want in the image size. File, save, go to the browser and refresh and check the output. As you can see, the height and width of the image is adjusted over here. Now we will see how you can use hyperlink. Viewer, hyperlink is a one kind of attribute which helps you to just in a one click you can able to redirect it to the another page. We will see that to insert any hyperlink, any kind of hyperlink, there is two type of hyperlink, guys. One is text as a hyperlink and second is image as a hyperlink. We will see both one by one. To insert a hyperlink, anchor tag is used. Now anchor tag is known as A. Anchor stands for A stands for anchor tag. Okay, so we will write anchor, that is A, and we will write href. The attribute of the anchor tag is href, which is compulsory attribute to redirect to the any other page. Okay, and after href, that is hyperlink reference, or you can say hyper reference, where you want to redirect your page. For example, I want to redirect by clicking this image file. I want to open a Google page. So what I will write over here, the link of the Google page. Okay, so that is https:// or you can directly copy the URL of a Google from the net. That is, for example, this is Google. Just copy this link, Ctrl+C, and paste in this particular double quotes. As you can see, https://www.google.com. So when this flower image is clicked, you will redirect it to this particular Google page. Okay, angle bracket, close. This A tag is container tag, so it is having closing, and as you can see, image is empty tag. इसका कोई भी closing नहीं है. It is just empty tag. Okay, we need to close anchor tag after this image tag because we have created image as a hyperlink, so it should be in between of opening of anchor tag and closing of anchor tag. Quickly we will save and see the output into the browser. Okay, this is our image. Refresh it. So as you can see, before we have created as an hyperlink, it is just an arrow. Whenever it will convert it to the hyperlink, your arrow icon is converted to the hand icon where you will able to click, and when you will click this particular image, your page will be redirected to the Google page. Okay, so here we have completed how you can set image as a hyperlink. Okay, in the same program we will see how you can set text as a hyperlink. Okay, same for the text, again we will use A tag, that is anchor tag, href, hyper reference, and double quotes. In double quotes, for example, I want to open now YouTube, so we will paste over there YouTube link. Okay, just we will here Ctrl+C and paste it over here. Anchor tag close with the angle bracket. We will write text. This is high tech learner. Okay, and anchor A tag close. So this is our text as a hyperlink and this is our image as a hyperlink. Quickly we will save it and refresh the previous program, same program. As you can see, this is our image as a hyperlink and this is our text as a hyperlink. Whenever we will click image, it will redirect it to the Google page, and whenever we will click to the this is high tech learner, it will redirect it to the YouTube channel. Okay, viewers, you have to note it down. Whatever you will write in H reference, that is hyper reference, that page will be opened when you click to the text or when you click to the image. So hope you will understand this particular program, image as a hyperlink and text as a hyperlink, or how you can simply insert image in your web page. Viewers, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more